What's up everybody, hope you are doing well. So I recently upgraded to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and oh boy am I enjoying this phone. So with my previous phone, which was the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, I had to use the moment tele lens to do portraits because it did not allow me to use the zoom lens in pro mode or in any other third-party apps. While the main camera is better to get the best quality photos, it is kind of a pain because you have to be very close to your subject, which can be weird if you are all up in somebody's face while taking a photo. So this is just a test that I did using the 3x telephoto lens on the S23 Ultra. So here I'm just using the 3x tele lens, which I believe is like a 10 megapixel sensor. I have like a wine reddish backdrop set up, and I'm using the Innovatronix CPFlash 550 watt off-camera flash set up in an 80 centimeter octagon softbox. I also have a standard 3-in-1 reflector to the side to fill in some of the shadows, and I have a couple of Godox light mons, RGB lights if I want to add rim light later. Using the CPFlash app on my phone, I can adjust the flash power and the flash duration and can trigger the camera and the flash to take a photo. Here I'm using a flash power of 54%-ish and a flash duration of 500 milliseconds. In Pro mode, the camera is set to ISO 100, shutter speed of 1/250, and the focus is set to auto. I would sometimes get focus issues with the S20 Ultra when using it with the moment tele lens. When using the off-camera flash with the exposure set very low, and images from the moment lens would be very soft. So I would like to see how the S20 Ultra and the moment lens compares to the S23 Ultra's tele lens. I also added a grid to the softbox to reduce light falling on the backdrop, and I also added the Godox lights to add some rim light. This is a test, so I'm just taking a couple of pictures of myself in raw DNG using the 3x tele lens on the S23 Ultra, and the images on the screen are some of the best ones that I took and edited in Lightroom. I would say that this is way better than what I had with the S20 Ultra and the moment lens. Plus, I don't have to get all up in somebody's face to take a picture, because with the wide angle lens you need to get a lot more closer to somebody if you're going to do a close-up portrait. And even if you're just doing a half body, you still need to be very close to somebody. So let me know what you guys think of this, and if you found this video to be helpful or informative, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Melvin, and this has been the 100-Handed Ones.